encompasses quite a few different programs and products to improve indoor air quality, and I'm going to talk about one of our air system products here today, and it's our EnviroCleanse HVAC filter cartridge. And this is a great product that's complementary to our mobile system. Please check out our video on the mobile system here on the website. But what's nice about the HVAC cartridge concept is that you can treat the whole house by installing this air cartridge into your home system. And as the air circulates in your home, it's going to remove the odors, perfumes, fragrances, a wide variety of chemicals and VOCs that may be in your air. It's going to reduce those concentrations and make the area just a lot better for folks that are particularly MCS or multiple chemical sensitivities. This system can be used alone or in conjunction with our mobile air system, but one of the best ways to truly treat the whole atmosphere of your personal environment is to use the air treatment systems along with our laundry enhancer as well as our surface products, because if you can release less into the environment, then the cartridge can do a better job of capturing the things that are in the air. So check out all our products here online at EnviroCleanse.com, and if you have any questions, please don't ever hesitate to give us a call.